It's a red. It's a red. Oh. Feels like a mang. Mang. Another trout. There he is, little guy. Look at that guy. Okay. He's a boy. He's yelling at me. Oh, there you go. Oh no, he's not that small. Damn, man, he's there. You go. Circling the Goodbye. There he goes. I didn't have my camera. Your what, baby? Your net, yep. Your net's ready. No worries. It's right there. Oh. Ooh, what are you doing? Don't fall.
No, I wasn't. I had my balance.
It's a red. It's a red.
Oh, fuck yes.
Shh, calm down. He ain't in here yet. All right, he's right here. The net's right here. Sit down slowly, remember. All right, yep. Nice and easy, right there. Here you go. Here's your net. Oh, bam! Got him, coach. See if this works just as effective. It should. You see your hook? Oh, there's something over there. There's something over there eating. Something way over there. Oh, good Lord, mommy. No. All right, cast that out there now. No, and that one's gonna take longer. It should take a little longer, so we can you can set it out there and out there straight ahead as far as you can now. Seems like they're moving away from us. They're catching on to us a little bit. Okay. There you go. We'll see. Ooh, I saw something jumping right after it behind there. I'm gonna throw one out too. You can put that in the rod now, Mommy. It shouldn't be like... I don't think they're right here anymore. You might have to move a little bit. I feel like they moved a little bit. Oh, 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 oh. There you go. Always have that line tight. That rod should always be bent. Always. There you go. There you go, Mommy. Get him. It's okay. I'll unbuckle us and we'll twist around. It's okay. Oh, no, never mind. I'll drop us back down. Nope, no, he still wants to go that way. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Even though I need to get her a snook. Woo! Little late fighter, mommy. Late fighter. That was cut up pinfish that worked that time. Big old slab of that shit. He fucking ate it right away. Ooh, something else is big on him. You want to have a shark on him. Or there might be something on him. You don't like the boat. Look at that piece of meat. All chewed up. You want me to let you go? Okay. Oh man, that's a bigger one, mommy. That's bigger than the last one for sure. Oh man, he's not done, huh? There he goes, there he comes. There he comes. He turned him. Oh, look at that fucking monster right there. He's ready. He's almost ready, mama. Get that net. Yeah, get ready. He's ready, he's ready. Get that net over there. Get that net over there. Yep. Yep, bring him in there, baby. Oh, you need help? Okay. Bring him over. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Do that. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Fuck yeah. It's a red. It's a red. I think I got that big boy that you fucking lost. Yep, that's a big boy.
That wasn't my fault. What you did out there.
Let's see if he doesn't get eaten by whatever was eating yours. Get, mommy, get a shrimp out there. Get a shrimp out there because there's a school here. We found the school. Look at the baits right here too. That's why. Look at them. See the bait right here? The bait's right here. That bait's right here. Just throw it off to the front and hopefully we can double up and take a picture of both reds. Whew. There he goes. He's got another little bird. Oh, there might be something on him now. Yep, there might be something on him now. That thing that ate that's been eating the other fish might be on him. There was a big, see right there? There's something big right there. There's something big right here. Oh, you're getting eaten right now. Hold on. Yep, reel. Nope, he got off. Check your bait. He got it. Yeah. Yep. Came off. Yeah, he got you. All right, hold on. Make sure I can. He's starting to go that way, and I don't know if I can bring him back yet. Just sit down. Would be the best thing you could do. Yeah, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. Oh. It's okay. He's gonna circle around. He's circling. He's just going on a big circle right now. Big circle. Okay, that was fun. That was fun, buddy. Let's get this stupid shit out of the way now. I need my net. No, no. I want you to cast, because they're here. I want you to cast. Oh yeah, that's a fucking nice one right here. That's a nice one. That's a nice one right there. 30, 1.5. Oh, he was ready.
Man,
He
okay,
was
buddy.
ready.
Listen.